friends, I am Nikhil and welcome back to my channel Wiser and Macha. Yamaha R15 V3 BS6. We all know the fact that this particular Yamaha R15 version 3 is a predecessor of its elder brother Yamaha R15 V2. Being a BS6 compliant, Yamaha R15 V3 has got many changes and mainly focused on track riding. So here are few pros and cons of the brand new Yamaha R15 V3 BS6. Coming to the pros of this bike, Yamaha R15 V3 gets sharper edges and inspired by Yamaha R6 as well as Yamaha R1. So the brand new Yamaha R15 V3 gets floating edges, and particularly we will like the tail section of this bike. Yamaha has provided this bike with so many features like showing up the average speed and also showing up the RPM meter in this particular bike. So the instrument cluster is loaded with different features like RPM meter, average fuel range, kilometers to empty, and also different features which attracts the customers very easily. Being a 155cc, this particular bike is no less than a 200cc bike according to performance. Yes, Yamaha has provided this bike with a greater performance when compared to its previous generation models. So in this particular V3, Yamaha has given so much performance that this bike contains very power that it can easily take down any 200cc bike. And the top speed happens to be around 157 kilometers, and for a 155cc bike, it's very high. Although the seating position of this bike is a bit sportier, but while riding, we get so much fun. Yes, this bike is very fun to ride when compared to its predecessor, that is R15 version 2.0. Riding this bike will get you a smile on your face for sure. This bike is equipped with dual channel ABS, so that if you are doing very high speeds like say 150 kilometers per hour, even though if we apply the brakes are so sure-footed that we can stop at a particular point very easily without any slipping of the tires. Coming to the con section of this particular bike, the Yamaha R15 V3 BS6 doesn't have good build quality. Yes, actually the previous generations of the Yamaha R15 happens to be obtained with good build quality, but now the particular generation doesn't have good build quality. Committed ergonomics. Yes, the ergonomics of this bike is more track focused than street riding. The body posture happens to be very sportier, so if you are riding in a track, then it will be suitable for your riding. But if you are in a highway cruising at around higher speeds, then there may be chances of a wrist pain that occur to your body. The pillion seat height of this particular bike is very high, and also the pillion seat is very small that the pillion won't be comfortable when he is sitting on the pillion seat. And also the grab rails happens to be very small, and also the build quality of grab rails are also too cheap. Fortunately, the cons of this bike is lesser than when compared to the pros of this bike. That means this bike is pocket friendly and also easy to use, easy to maintain as well. A big thumbs up to Yamaha for their hard work. So these are the few pros and cons of this particular Yamaha R15 V3 BS6. If you like the video, give it a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. This is Nikhil. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.